The F-35 Lightning II and F-22 Raptor represent the pinnacle of modern stealth fighter technology, each designed to dominate the battlefield in complementary ways. The F-35 is a multirole stealth aircraft, capable of both air-to-air and air-to-ground missions. Its advanced avionics, sensor fusion, and network-centric warfare systems provide pilots with real-time situational awareness, enabling precise threat detection and engagement. The aircraft's stealth airframe minimizes radar signature, while the Pratt Whitney F135 engine delivers supersonic speeds and, in certain variants, STOVL capabilities for flexible deployment from short runways or amphibious ships. The F-22 Raptor, in contrast, is engineered as an air superiority fighter, emphasizing agility and unmatched speed. Twin Pratt Whitney F119 engines allow it to supercruise at Mach 1.8 without afterburners. Its stealth design, thrust vectoring, and integrated avionics enable the